So guys, this is the spare wheel that I installed. So I had to send my tire for reclaim. तो उसमें एक बबल आ गई थी साइड में, साइड वॉल पे, तो आई हैड टू गेट इट रिप्लेस्ड. अभी स्पेयर व्हील पे ही चल रहा है. और whenever you replace your tire, just make sure कि आपके TPMS डैमेज ना हो. That's the thing. अभी तो ब्लैक लगा है. So let me see if the error is still coming or it's gone. Okay, you see the Nissan logo coming up, and yeah, it shows check tire pressure sensors. So basically there are no sensors in the spare wheel. You'll keep seeing this error. Today morning जब मैं चेंज कर रहा था टायर्स, तो ये दिक्कत मुझे आई. तो आई थॉट गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, बट इट स्टार्टेड एंड इट्स शोइंग लाइक दिस. तो ये एरर तो रहने वाला है until I change my tires. So do check out what happened in the morning. So guys, when you change the tire of your Nissan Magnite, and if you have TPMS installed, then ऐसे आपको एक दिखेगा नोटिफिकेशन. So just don't worry. Let's see how long I can move like this, because initially I thought that I would go to the TPMS screen and reset, but there's no option to reset. I had to give my tire for reclaim because there was a bubble that formed on the side wall after 10,000 kilometers. So there are many reasons why the tire is damaged in such a way. So it might have been a manufacturing defect, or there are several other reasons. तो ये तो अभी वारंटी में क्लेम होके I'll have to pay for the 10,000 kilometers that I have used, and the remaining will be free of cost, and they'll be replacing my tire with a brand new tire. तो देखते हैं कब आएगा. Usually it should take 7 days. Let's see. Let me drive for a while and see if this notification goes off. So when I turned off the engine and turned it on back, then I'm seeing this, but I cannot navigate through the other screens. So let me see, let me drive for some time and check. I hope this video was helpful to you. तो मुझे ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. The engine started although there was this error, but I could reach back home safely. तो once I install my alloys back with the tire pressure monitoring system, तो ये notification automatically चली जाएंगी. तो do drop your comments below if you have any questions as well. And I have put this tire under claim, तो 7 days तो लगेंगे replacement के लिए. Let's hope the tires are back by next week, and the beast will be back on road. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.